Hello students, now I am going to discuss about IP traffic processing. IP security is executed on a packet by packet basis. When IP security is implemented, each outbound IP packet is processed by the IP security logic before transmission, and each incoming packet is processed by the IP security logic after reception and before passing the packet contents on to the next higher layer. Let us see outbound packet. The figure shows the main elements of IP security processing for outbound traffic. A block of data from higher layer such as TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is passed down to the IP layer, and an IP packet is formed consisting of an IP header and an IP body. Then the following steps occur. IP security searches the security policy database for a match to this packet. If no match found, then the packet is discarded and an error message is generated. If match is found, further processing is determined by the first matching entry in the SPD. If the policy for this packet is discard, then the packet is discarded. If the policy is bypass, then there is no further IP security processing. The packet is forwarded to the network for the transmission. If the policy is protect, then a search is made for the SAD for a matching entry. If no entry is found, the Internet Key Exchange is invoked to create an security association with the appropriate keys, and an entry is made in the security association. The matching entry in the SAD determines the processing for this packet. Either encryption, authentication, or both can be performed, and either transport or tunnel mode can be used. The packet is then forwarded to the network for transmission. Next, inbound packets. The figure shows the main elements of IP security processing for inbound traffic. An incoming IP packet triggers the IP security processing. Then the following steps occurs. First one, IP security determines whether this is an unsecured IP packet or one that has ESP or AH header or trailers by examining the IP protocol field IPv4 or next header field IPv6. If the packet is unsecured, IP security searches the SPD for a match to this packet. If the first matching entry has a policy of bypass, the IP header is processed and stripped off, and the packet body is delivered to the next higher layer such as TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. If the first matching entry has a policy of protect or discard, or if there is no matching entry, the packet is discarded. For a secured packet, IP security searches the security association database. If no match is found, the packet is discarded. Otherwise, IP security applies the appropriate ESP or AH processing. Then the IP header is processed and stripped off, and the packet body is delivered to the next higher layer such as TCP. Thank you.